What if art wasn't something you looked at, but something you walked through, touched, or changed? Today, I'm inside one of the most surreal, immersive spaces in the world, teamLab Phenomena Abu Dhabi. And what makes this place insane is that nothing is fixed, everything reacts to you. Let me take you through every single installation in the exact order we experienced it. Located in Saadiyat Island, this experience is created by the digital art collective teamLab. Tickets usually range from 150 to 350 dirhams per person, depending on timing and peak hours. And honestly, book in advance. This place fills up. We start at the entrance, living crystallized light. It feels like stepping into a frozen explosion of light particles. The entire space reacts as you move. Light clusters form, dissolve, and shift like they're alive. It's the first time you realize this place is not static, it's breathing. Circulating universe of water particles. This feels like watching the universe made of water droplets. Everything flows in vertical motion, like gravity doesn't exist in a normal way. It feels like standing inside an ocean made of light. Flutter of Butterflies. Suddenly, butterflies appear, not physical ones, but light entities. Order in chaos. This is where randomness becomes structured. Chaos turns into patterns, then breaks apart again. It's hypnotic because your brain keeps trying to find logic, but it never fully settles. Wind form. Wind form feels invisible yet physical. You don't see wind, you see its effect on light. As people move through the space, the entire structure bends like it's made of air. Levitating Void. Levitating Void is eerie in the best way. It feels like you're standing inside nothingness, but nothingness has weight. Light and darkness float around you like suspended thought. Massless suns and dark suns. This installation plays with contrast, creation, and absence. Massless suns glow intensely, while dark suns absorb everything around them. It feels like watching cosmic bodies form and disappear. Now we're in the light complex. The light vortex. A swirling vortex of light pulls everything into motion. Structures of light move like liquid architecture here. The space responds differently depending on how you observe it. This feels mathematical, like stepping into a 3D equation made of light. Even the hallway is alive here. Autonomous abstraction means the walls themselves shift independently. There's no break between exhibits. Everything is connected. Biocosmos. Biocosmos feel like a digital ecosystem evolving in real time. It's part biology, part universe simulation. Everything reacts like living organisms interacting with each other. Graffiti Nature and Beating Earth. This was one of the most fun parts. Here, visitors can draw their art and write their names and see them come to life. We got to draw our animals and write our names as well. And the moment we finished, they came alive. Our drawings started moving across the walls and floor. Beating Earth made the entire space feel like a living planet responding to human creativity. Morphing Continuum. Morphing Continuum is constant change. There's no beginning or end, only transformation. Forms melt into each other like time itself is dissolving. In the last few exhibits, we're gonna get our feet wet. Waterfall of light particles. This feels like standing under a waterfall made entirely of light particles. It falls endlessly but never gets you wet. It's both calming and overwhelming at the same time. Floating microcosms. Here, you're looking at tiny, self-contained universes. Each microcosm behaves independently. It's like peeking into multiple realities at once. Megaliths in the Roots Garden. This feels ancient, like futuristic ruins buried in nature. Huge glowing structures rise like stones powered by energy. It's both natural and alien at the same time. Continuous trajectories in flux and form. The final space is about movement itself. Everything is in flux. Nothing stays still, even for a second. And by the end, you stop trying to understand it. You just experience it. This is not just an art exhibition. It's a world that reacts to you. If you ever visit Abu Dhabi, this is something you have to experience at least once. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.